I think I'm like a pretty like trustworthy person, and I kind of like that because I think I like pride myself on like trying to keep a secret with like whatever it may be. But yeah, my name is Devon. I'm 17, born and raised in the Bay Area, and I play lacrosse in my high school, and I'm a junior. Always had like pretty bad acne. Like I probably have like the worst skin out of like my friend group. I've been like seeing the dermatologist for like a few years, like just like off and on, and then trying like new treatments and stuff. And then I have like my like face routine during the morning and during the night. I think people think a lot of the time that like you're dirty and you might not wash if you have acne, but like it could be like the opposite. Like you could wash 3 times a day, but they just wouldn't know. When it like flares up, it gets kind of annoying and embarrassing because it's just like big red thing on your face or something, and it gets kind of embarrassing, and like I try to hide it. I think confidence just means like feeling the best about yourself that you can, and really just trying to be the best version of yourself and not caring what other people think. Well, obviously, like you see everyone, like all the models and stuff, have like clear skin, and then you kind of look at yours and you feel bad about yourself. But I've seen a lot recently, like a lot of different like brands and people are making like different videos on how to like treat different kinds of acne, and I think that's really cool to see. I would say like just keep calm, like it's gonna go away, like the inflamed pimple is gonna go away, and I'd also say like keep consistent with like washing my face and stuff. Like don't just like skip a day or anything, like keep consistent because that makes it a lot better. It means like trying my hardest to make my skin look good, and like getting rid of my acne, and just trying my hardest to preach like skincare and stuff to other people.